Houston, we have a problem.
Oh, he's moving.
We can't do much now. Stay tuned and we'll figure out a situation.
Back for episode 2 of the Barn Find. We're gonna go head out, grab some parts. So we did have a couple of things to get done, but it's things like registration, plate, illumination, lamp, intensity low. Suspension, easy fix, just the springs are a bit loose. Change those out, higher tread, and a steering rack boot. So easy stuff. Hopefully we get the sticker.
Just based off potential comments that might be coming in off the last one, like what other cars do you have? What do we have and what are we dealing with in
sure.
here?
Alright, so so obviously here in the street side HQ, what we specialize in is JDM cars. Also all the parts, engines, turbos, wheels, tires, aftermarket kits, fenders, wide bodies, bonnets, lips, spoilers, you name it. We do it all. You obviously know we have the green S14. My S13, which was my second purchase. We also have the grey S15, which you would have seen outside. That's my daily. We also have the S14 that we're doing the Barn Find build on. To the left of me, this is a 200 SX. 180 for most of our common viewers out there, but this is a New Zealand new one. We're doing a full Origin wide body. And if you're looking forward to a series on that, let us know down below and we can definitely pump that out for you. We also have another PFL white S14 and we also have a red R34 Skyline. So I thought we'd run our first YouTube giveaway for you guys. We've got a lanyard, an air freshener with your guys' name on it. So just comment down below. 2 days after we drop the video, we'll be picking one of you guys to win your choice of a lanyard and air freshener. One of our new hitters, we've got the cotton candy, which is a pink and teal. I've got the black and white, which is always a good colorway, goes with everything. Got our black and red here, always a banger. Now we've got the S13 air freshener. This is a strawberry scent. Got our bubblegum horror freshener, which is obviously bubblegum scent. This is our globe air freshener. This is a black ice scent. And on the end here, we have the S14, and this is a blueberry scent to match the blueberry whip.
This one's so fire.
What's your guys' favorite flavor? Is it the strawberry? Is it the bubblegum? Is it the black ice? Or is it blueberry? Let us know down below. I think my best hit is the bubblegum horror air freshener, but I do like to run a bit of a combo. So at the moment, I am running the bubblegum X blueberry. Smells dank. Steering rack mounts. Cass managed to find the old 4-piece quarter pack.
I can't believe you got a PS3 fat edition. Jeez. Oh, let's go.
What we have down here is some S15 Aero skirts. These are fiberglass reps, but they fit A1. They are the JSI Aeros. These are a company from Australia, do super good quality parts. 10 coilovers for S14, rears only. We also have some Neo Pro S13 180SX coilovers, rear only. Down here, we have some S15 end caps. These are fiberglass ones, but we can fit these if you want, so let us know. We also have a S14 Phoenix radiator with the electric fans. So if you want any of this stuff, make sure to hit us up on the store page. Cars in Warrensville at one of our friends' houses, just getting a bit of repair done to the back. We'll go pick it up, bring it back here, just do a quick check, maybe 50 minutes again from my 5-minute check that I did in the other vid. For now, we're heading out to Thames. I just need to grab some wheels for the S15 and hopefully she's gonna be looking a little bit better. Bit of a top up in the gill before we head out to Thames. The bro likes the E-light.
Well, this car could die.
And it's pitch black,
So we're gonna top it up.
Some rims for the bro's S15 over here, and we're just gonna pick them up. Gonna also get a handbrake as well. Bro got a spare one for us, been trying to find it for a year now, so Yeah, good finds up in here.
Great success. An immense amount of spare parts. Indicator stalks, wiper and headlight. 200SX, so the white car that you've seen in the shop. The one that we were talking about, the fiberglass parts before. And obviously for warrant, cert, things like that, you obviously need working headlights, wiper motor, things like that. So we got those ticked off the list. We also got a 180 handbrake, and we also got some wheels for the S15. We're saving money, we're making money, we're doing all of the above. So we're gonna head back to Hamilton now, chuck all these parts in. See you soon.
Yeah, it is fucking freezing. It's fucking cold out here, boys. We need some milk, boy. We won't drop these ones.
As you can see here, we just chucked the rear wheels on the back. Now we've got a full set of TE. Infinity SB will put in what a TE and a TE is right here. Indicator stalks we just got going. They are for our 200SX here. But the only thing I noticed is he didn't give us the brackets to mount them to the steering column. Look at that there. Once we figure out what that is, we'll get onto it. But at least we got these ticked off the list. Hopefully. Here we have the 180 handbrake. So the problem we had before is we had a R33 Skyline handbrake conversion, and with the handbrake cables, they're about 10 centimeters longer, so we obviously couldn't use that. Let's go see if this one works. Here's our boy Reese, in the chat.
Focus game not on point. Reese, daily report.
Just had some work, come here, no one was here, so I filmed a little TikTok, and I come back and the birds are back.
So here's our handbrake. Pretty good. I just need to connect the handbrake cables at the back, and then these holes will line up, and we're on the money. One of the last pieces we have to get is a speedo cluster from Auckland. What are we thinking about the TE special over here? The TE special, my boy. Not bad.
The back ones look nice actually.
Yeah,
I like the back. Look at that concave on that.
Definitely, bro. I need a bit more pep in the step for the front, but yeah, that'll do the job for now. I heard Reese is buying me some more for the front for Christmas, so.
He wishes.
So this here is the back layer for our horror jewel layers. A lot of you guys are wondering how we make the jewel layers with a vinyl cutter. So this is obviously the finished product there. This is a 2-piece vinyl. So we start out with obviously this being a black back. We have a black back here. So you lay the clear on top of this, slap it down onto the black, and you've got a jewel layer sticker. We have holographic styles and also gloss vinyl styles. So the 2-piece holographic black and silver style is $12. And we also have our standard gloss styles in pink, yellow, red, black, white, you name it, and these are $10. Head down to the store below.
How little wheelbarrows.
Can we get one of those too? Can I get your number? Because I think get my S13 body kit.
What is it?
S13 body kit.
Yeah.
We should have one rear bumper for S13 and a 180SX front bumper, but I think the supplier got it wrong, so we're about to find out. It's covered.
Some people just don't listen.
We got our bumpers from our supplier. We found out that we have the wrong front bumper. It's supposed to look like this one to the left of me. Yeah, so pretty much what we need to do is return it back because, yeah, it's not for us, it's for customers, so we've got to make sure it's the right product for them.
Where are we going, Caden?
So we got 5 stops, maybe 4. We're gonna go head out to Birkdale. So we're gonna go get a 180 SX cluster, and then we're gonna head out west, pick up our S15 cluster, go to Otahuhu. We've got 2 stops there. We've got tires and wheels.
What one is it? The Merc or the one behind it?
Honda CRZ hybrid. Mine is 2013.
Yeah, I think
That's the same car as mine.
Oh, yeah.
Mine's a bit more sexier though.
we got our Honda guru in the back. If you got any Honda questions, drop them to Reese in the comments.
Ballin' like it's game time. Locked in when it's game time. Yeah, I'm ballin' like it's game time. Locked in when it's game time.
Yes sir, just picked up the 180 SX cluster.
So you got fuel gauge, speed, revs, temp,
Pretty much.
door lights, etc.
With a boost, man.
It's game time. Shoot from deep like Curry 3 and I go beast like 23. 10 toes down, glued to the concrete and I do me, keep to myself to find my peace. Been ballin' a little bit, woke up feeling rich. Still remember days I had to grind to get a cent. Still remember days when I spent a penny.
Wow, didn't expect this to be in here. Carbon special. As we all know, I make carbon parts. Custom carbon for the bros.
Difficult process?
Yes, very difficult.
So what you're looking at is a rotary 13B, one of the finest from Japan out here.
The rotary's like the triangle one, right?
Yeah, it's the triangle one, the one that goes brap, 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 brap. Yeah, it sounds super sick, we love that.
Well, I found a really cool car over here. I'd love to hear it.
Yeah, pretty fucking loud, you gotta block the ears with this one. Wastegate over here, 60 mil, that is massive. That pretty much just equalizes the pressure. When you have turbo, we don't want the turbo increasing pressure, so that just allows wastegate pretty much. That is super massive.
Look, I'm a rock star in real life. We was doing Grand Theft Autos, hitting licks, home invasions. It was a good night. Take the goods to the plug. Then he
So
bring
that
us
plate
back
was
by
wank
the
me.
Like,
Not literally, but the plate.
Stepping on buses, hopping on fences. Call of Duty, me and my niggas, we in the trenches. Camping at the crib, playing true crime LA. Send a dress, nice, bumping ice cubes, good days. Such a nice
Sweet as just picked up the manual S15 cluster from out in the middle of fucking nowhere.
yeah, this steepest driveway of your life.
Got a couple of
Almost
flat
falling
tires
over,
out
jumping
here.
out the car.
So fuck yeah, that's clean.
Yeah, that's very nice.
Manual for the manual converted.
Perfect condition.
That's
Very
what we
nice,
like.
very
10
nice.
out of 10.
And now we've got to get it home safe.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is like a driveway and a half. right?
end, boys.
Fuck me, the car might just roll over.
That's what I'm saying, bro. We're on a 45-degree angle. Something like that.
Surely not. Fucking dodged that pothole right there. That shit was awful.
Yeah, I reckon we got in there. We definitely went in that.
I feel like it's gonna scrape my front bumper even though it's like 20 miles off the ground.
Bitch, I'm really him. Don't believe me, come and see me. Got 3 wishes from my genie. Now I'm on your local TV. Y'all on tour, got bitches screaming. Say she wanna come and see me when I'm in a local city. I'm like, pause though. Please step aside so they can see me. And I walk up in this bitch like, yeah, I'm really him. Oh, shit. Talking my shit like,
Get a helmet, mate! Bloody hell!
walking this bitch like, yeah, I'm really him. Talking my shit like, bitch, I'm really him. I'm the guy.
Is that an Audi?
That's on my knee, that's on TV, that's on mama. Niggas don't believe me.
Audi R8, my boys. I mean, we're talking here 150, 200. Oh, Cass is gonna pull up on it. We'll get a closer look. We got the microphone here. Hold on a second. You see out the window here, we got a Audi R8. I'm not sure what year. In the Nardo grey. Check it out. Beautiful. Any pools?
Talking my shit like, bitch, I'm really him, on God. Walking this bitch like, yeah, I'm really him. Talking my shit like, bitch, I'm really him, on God. Walk up in this bitch like, yeah, I'm really him. Talking my shit like, bitch, I'm really him, hold up. Look, walking this bitch like, yeah, I'm really
just got the car back. She's looking good, so we're gonna go head back to the shop, drop this off. Tomorrow in the morning, we're gonna paint the rear section, chuck the carpet back in, and we'll head down to the VTNZ, get that recheck done. We're gonna roll by a few nice streets, get a few street light shots, so let's go.
Houston, we have a problem.
Oh, he's moving.
Or maybe not.
So the alternator's a bit dead. The battery's died once again, so we're stranded. And the car only has enough power to run with the lights off, and it's pitch black, so we can't do much now. So stay tuned and we'll figure out a situation.
Up my ass right now.
Stop tailgating, bro. Bro was wondering how it could possibly get worse. And I said, well, this car could die.
The bro likes the E-light.
And it might.
This thing is pretty fuel efficient though, but with the car towing on the back, it might be a different story. So we'll find out what happens in a few minutes.
We got the baddie.
Baddie right here.
Oh, we've seen those lights working. Hey. Here we go, boys. What do you reckon? Surely, my boys. We got all the things. Just got our homie in there. He's looking at a few things right now.